Let's talk about example of arithmetic operator. Of arithmetic operator. So let's say these symbols are used for the arithmetic operator. That is plus means addition, minus means subtraction. This is divisible, and this is called as modulus, and this is called the float divisible. This is called my multiple, and this is called my exponential. Exponential means that is the square. So let us give you the example one by one by one. So let's say I have a variable x is my 5 and y variable that is 3. I'm going to z1 equal to, let's say, x plus y. So this is x plus y, this is my addition. Okay, so if I print z1, that will give me the output that is 8. Okay, so plus is my addition operator, so this is called as an addition operator. So for example, so another one that is z2 equal to x minus y. Okay, so this is my subtraction operator. Okay, so x minus y, this is my subtraction operator. So if I print z2, that is called output is 2. Okay, so and the next example that is z3, say x into y. So asterisk symbol mean that is into. Okay, that is very multiple. Okay, so this is called as a multiplication multiplication operator. So the asterisk means that multiplication operator. Okay, and the double asterisk means that exponential operator. Okay, let's say 3 get 3 will give me the output as 15. Okay, and let's say talk about the z4 equal to x and y. Okay, so here the notice that the if I will give this the division symbol, this is called my division, and the double black slash, this is called my float division. Okay, so this is my division operator. Okay, so notice that always the division operator will give you the float value. Okay, if I'll print z4, even the float value that is 1.666 to the last one. Okay, it will give me the always float value. Okay, and if I'll talk about the float division, that is z5 equal to x double black slash y. Double black slash means that is float division. And always remember that float division will always give you the value which is always is an integer value. Okay, not the float value. That will always give you the integer value. So 3 get 5, give me the value is 1. It always give you the integer value. Okay, and let's say z6, that is my exponential x double asterisk and y. It's called exponential exponentiation. Okay, let print at 6. It will give me the output that is 5 5 5. That is means output will be 125. So exponential means that will, I say I have x is 5, that 3 times of 5 into. So the exponential means that is the square of the this one, that is means x is my 5. Okay, that is mean the square. Okay, so this is called the exponential. And always remember that here, uh, the division operator will always give you the float value, and the float division operator always give you the integer value. Okay, and last one operator is my inside the arithmetic operator, that is my modulus operator, x divided x modulus y. This is called my modulus operator. Okay, if I print, uh, sorry for the typo, if I print Z7, it will give me the, that is x is 5 and y is 3. Okay, so it will give me as a reminder. So the remainder is here, that is 2, right? So that is act as a remainder. This is called as a reminder. Reminder. Okay. So this is the example of arithmetic operator. So next topic will be about what is the relational type of operator.